This is Lucky 7 Garage, where we drink Mountain Dew, do it for Dale, and build cool cars. Alright, so we got this box from CVF Racing. This is my electric water pump for my motor, for my engine. I'll go ahead and unbox this. Hopefully it came with some stickers. We got the receipt for stuff. Yeah. Oh, what else is on? I think that's it. Yeah, just a receipt for everything. And then we got the box. We got a box inside of another box. Okay, so nothing else in this box. Now I need some scissors, so let me go back and give me a knife. Alright, so I got my knife so I can open up this box. Okay. That's protective stuff in here. And this is the nice piece right here. The nice shiny piece. The water pump. So this will bolt up straight to the motor. And this is the wiring thing, and I plug up to something, and then, yeah. Okay. This is the plate and the gasket that I'll need. Take that out too. Really nice packaging on this stuff though. Comes with the gasket that you need and the plate. I don't think you need to run this plate, but it's here if you need to, if you want to. Move that out of the way. What else is there? Okay, this right here plugs into this, right? Yep, that way. And then you just wire that, I'm pretty sure, ground and power wire right there. They'll level ground and power too, so you can know which one to plug it into, but it only plugs it one way, so if you get it wrong, oh, they already did the thing for you, so you don't have to. Easy. Thanks. That's nice. More stuff, and then this right here is the water inlet little thing. This is nice and shiny too. This right here. This is billet. I think it's billet. This right here would screw into the water pump thing here. And screw it in there, and then yeah, you understand that part. And it comes with these screws and stuff, and then the gaskets. Do I only have one? I don't think they only gave me one gasket. No, that's two. I think it's, yeah, they gave me two gaskets. They give you the gaskets for this thing too, and they give you all the hardware you need for. That's that. And move on to the next thing. Okay, so this part we filmed in the truck. I know all these like unboxing parts is like in different times, different areas and stuff. So yeah, this right here should be my gauges. I got 3 of them, so I'm gonna little box. I forgot the company name, but hopefully they gave me a sticker. Every time I order parts, I never get stickers. Like that's the most important part when you order car parts is the sticker. If it don't come with a sticker, it's just, it doesn't even feel good if there's no sticker, you know? Okay, here we go. Alright. No sticker? Come on, bro. They gave me a receipt, but What kind of receipt? What kind of receipt is this? What is this? That's pretty weird. Paid $30 for this, and like $10 shipping. Let me show you gauges. Have the Equus for gauges, you know. Yep, that's that. I probably should I open them? I don't think I should open them yet. No, I'm probably still gonna just open them. Yeah, I'm gonna open them just to see where I can mount them at, you know. Ooh, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, it's all shiny. This isn't good. That's a bad sign. Shiny things are not good for me. I'm not good with nice. Like my electric water pump. I don't know about that because it's just too nice. Like I'm not used to having nice stuff. Like I mean, like you know, like yeah, but like I always mess it up. That's what I'm trying to say. I always mess up stuff, nice stuff. But here we go. So we got a coolant temp sensor. See how how my coolant is, and then we got battery voltage right here. And wait, that's battery volts, right? And then this one is the oil pressure gauge, so I can see oil pressure. So, yep, it's pretty cool. I think they come with lights too. Actually, hold up, let me see. I didn't even look at everything. Okay, we got some fittings, some brass fittings for stuff. I guess adapters and stuff. More adapters. Got this line for the oil pressure sensor. I'm dumb. The lights are already installed. So yes, they do. You can put lights on it. I think I'm gonna do that too, since I have a switch panel that's coming in probably next Friday. And what I was gonna say. Yeah, I can hook these switches up to the thing and whatever and stuff. I got extra switches if I need them. But yeah, it's already hooked up. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. They gave me some hardware so I can mount it up. So I can mount it up back here. I want to actually have them upside down. I just like my gauges upside down. It's weird, but I like it like that. That's how I like my gauges. Everybody like their stuff different. We got a little. At least this company they actually put instructions in there, even though I don't need instructions. And they even put pictures in there. Shout out to Equus. That brand. I like these guys. I think my other gauge I had was from them too. No, that was Sunpro, but I like Equus though. Nice quality, very nice quality on stuff. But yeah, I think that's it for this right here. We can go ahead and switch to another one. I don't know whatever the next unboxing will be, but yeah, go ahead and switch to that. So I got another part, and this time I really don't even know what it is. I checked my Amazon and it didn't say what it was. So it say eBay, but I didn't order from eBay. So I'm weirded out. I don't know what this is. Hopefully this is the wiring kit from our electric water pump. But we're gonna see. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Sorry for the light, and I know it's like super bright. Maybe I can adjust it. Maybe. No, that's not it. I guess you have to bear with me. And bear with my friend out there riding his dirt bike. I think that's Jameer out there. They wear helmets, so I can't really tell unless I stopped him. It's in this little box. I don't know what that number is. I don't know. I hate this type of material of boxing. I hate this. Okay, because it's just so like dry and make my skin feel weird. Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. This is exactly what I was hoping that came today. Which was not supposed to come today, but it came today. This is the wiring kit for my electric water pump. We got this stuff, and then they gave me little hardware and stuff so I can, mount it up and, connect the stuff. And, yeah. Pretty cool. Now, let me look at it and see what, actually comes in here. Okay, it's not a switch. It's just a fuse. And I got a relay. It should just be like plug and play, so. But I'm not gonna wire everything up. I might just test fit it and because I don't, I want to wait till I get my switch panel, which will be going on this right here. Like, this is just like a backing plate, right? And then the switch panel will bolt up 4 bolts in here, and it's like little carbon fiber, little switches and stuff. Which I might have to like make a hole in here so it can actually mount up. I don't know. I think so. I really don't want to make a hole in this, other than the 4 holes that but if I have to, then oh well. Okay. I almost lost parts. This right here goes in there. Gotta figure out which way it goes. Goes that way. No, I don't think so. It should. Yeah, everything lines up. What is this? I don't know. Pretty lost. I'm new to this wiring stuff and electrical stuff. So yeah, just bear with me. Let's see how long this actually is. Okay, so the ground is not long, which I was hoping for a longer ground. So I'm not forced to put it in a certain spot. I can, put all my grounds in probably a certain spot, something like that. But put that back, because I'm gonna wrap this back up again. Okay, this is pretty long. Oh, they labeled it. They labeled it. Okay. Okay, what's this company name? Shout out to Best Motorsports and Corporations for the parts. They labeled it, color coded. Water pump. Yeah, everything is labeled. And it's in black and white, so you can't miss it. Unless you're like a idiot or something, but I think I should wire this. I think I should go ahead and wire it up. Yeah. I'll be back. Okay, so the phone might fall. Hopefully it don't fall, but this radiator is so big and heavy, even though it's aluminum, I have to use 2 hands to open it. Look how big that radiator is. Look how thick it is. See how thick that thing is? This is all aluminum. It's still heavy. I really don't want to take the plastic off just because it's so shiny and stuff, but I'm taking it off so I can show y'all the quality of this radiator. This thing is packaged so nice. So I need a knife. I have one right here. G Plus Performance. Look how big and fat this radiator is. You see that? Look at those welds, fully TIG welded, all aluminum radiator. 3 rows, triple pass. This thing is huge. And it's so nice and shiny. I don't even want to touch it. It's so shiny and nice. But time to throw it in the truck, farm truck.